This is a brand new 2014 Dodge Challenger. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, the Uconnect infotainment system, Sirius satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel controls, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, four-wheel disc brakes with an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.